To make delicious sweet and sour pork ribs, the key lies in the timing of adding sugar and vinegar. For this dish, we must choose pork ribs. First, put a spoonful of flour in a bowl. Then add a small amount of water to the bowl, utilizing the stickiness of the flour to absorb any dirt on the surface of the ribs. Then rinse the ribs thoroughly with clean water. Clean the surface of the ribs from any remaining flour and dirt. Keep washing until the water in the bowl becomes clear and transparent. Soak the ribs in clean water for half an hour to remove any blood. Next, prepare a piece of ginger. Slice the ginger and set it aside on a plate. Then prepare a section of the white part of a large scallion. Also put it on the plate. Add a piece of cinnamon to the plate. This is the 3 ingredients to remove the gamey taste. After soaking the ribs for half an hour, the blood inside has been removed. Drain the water and take out the ribs. Then put them in a pot of cold water. Add some cooking wine to the pot to remove any remaining gamey taste. Then turn up the heat and bring the water to a boil. As the cooking wine evaporates, it takes away the meat's gamey smell. Once the water in the pot is boiling, use a spoon to skim off any floating blood foam. Then use a colander to drain the parboiled ribs from the pot. Add some warm water to a bowl. Then wash the ribs thoroughly to remove any remaining blood foam. Place the processed ribs in a colander to drain excess water. Now, let's heat up the oil in a pan. Add a spoonful of rock sugar to the pan and first caramelize it. Keep the heat low and slowly caramelize the sugar. Once the rock sugar melts and turns reddish brown, add the ribs into the pan. Stir-fry the ribs in the pan to coat them evenly with the caramelized sugar. Then add a spoonful of balsamic vinegar to the pan, followed by half a spoonful of light soy sauce and an appropriate amount of dark soy sauce. Be careful not to add too much dark soy sauce, or the ribs will turn dark. Stir-fry the ribs in the pan for 2 minutes to let the ribs absorb the flavors better. Next, add the prepared ingredients to the pan and stir-fry. Then add some warm water to the pan. Add enough water to cover the ingredients. Then simmer the mixture on low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add a few more rock sugar pieces to the pan to enhance the sweetness. The earlier rock sugar was used to caramelize. Then add an appropriate amount of salt to the pan. After stirring well, continue to simmer on low heat for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can take out all the ingredients and ginger from the pan. Then turn up the heat and reduce the sauce until it thickens. Finally, before serving, add another half spoonful of balsamic vinegar to enhance the tangy flavor. Evenly drizzle the thickened sweet and sour sauce over the pork ribs. Sprinkle some chopped green onions on top as a garnish, and the delicious dish is ready. If you have learned the recipe, give me a thumbs up and save it for future reference. Thank you all for watching.